I really enjoyed the PDW Level 2 practical course day. It was a really fun day to get to know all of the different exercises, and I really didn't realise how hard all the exercises were. It was a good day to learn them all and get some real practical experience with Parkinson's disease clients. And one main takeaway that I learned today was the importance of encouraging self-feedback, while myself as a therapist providing small cues to then empower the client to really self-correct their movements to complete the exercise better, especially for when I'm not there at home. So thanks guys, it was a really good day.
Look, I thought today was a lot of fun. It was really interesting. I thought it was very practical and hands-on, but not too much information jammed into one go. I think having the level 1 and the level 2 split helps because you're coming here with an idea of what you're about to learn. So I was surprised by how hard you have to work. I'm sweating. So that was a big wake up for me. And I think that's a good wake up in general for the amount of effort we should be asking our clients to put in, because it certainly highlighted to me that, 80% is a lot, and yet all of the clients today look like they were putting in and look like they were capable and enjoying it. So.
Yeah, so